Hello, welcome to Sun Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to use Movavi Video Suite 22. Now, Movavi Video Suite 22 is a good editing video editor, and also it has some aspects that you can use here. For example, you can convert your video the way you feel like. You can even screen record your laptop screen or laptop or desktop screen. Also, it have a photo editing aspect here, but today our focus is going to be this video editor or edit video. So we're just going to use this one, but before we start, kindly subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. Now let's begin. Now after opening the program to bring it to this interface here, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to add files or you're going to add videos or objects. So I've just come here to add, then it will take me to where my objects is, but this time I'm going to use my videos here. So I'm just going to make sure I add some videos and some pictures. So I'll just make sure I see all of them here. Maybe I just select these ones, maybe up to somewhere here. Then I just place open. Then my videos should be inserted here. My videos and text will be inserted here. If I want to preview a video, I'll just click here. Then it will give me a preview here. Then I'll just play. Now, Movavi has different aspects here. All the tools you're going to use, all the things you're going to use. For example, you're going to use filters here. You're going to use transitions. You're going to add text. You're going to also add things like stickers or icons, and also there are other options here. So I'm going to cover all of them in this video. And also down here there are some tools, quick tools that you can use. Now here is where the gallery or where the media bin or where all the videos or the pictures or the text you're going to use are located. Then here is the preview. Then here is the timeline where you're going to do a lot of the editing. Now let's just start. You can just the first thing you're going to do, you're going to drag this one here like so, and also drag this one here like so, and also drag this one here like so if you want to place them in the timeline. So if I just come and play here and see all my video, then I can use this aspect here to move the videos or to move these two. So I can quickly view my videos like so. Let's say if I want to pause, I'll just press the space bar on my keyboard and just pause and play, pause and play, pause and play. Also I can use my mouse to do the same. Let's say I want to split my videos or I want to split anything. Now before that, this aspect, under the transition section, the video is the upper part is the video section and the lower part is the audio section. For example, if I can easily minimize or maximize the audio in the video. Now the next thing I'm going to do, we are now going to split the video or split the audio. How do you split the audio? I just position this thing I want to be splitted. Maybe a little bit this aspect here called split. I'll just click it and split. Also, if you hover here, I click this video here, select it, and I can easily split it. Also, you can press Ctrl B in your keyboard, and it will easily split the video. Now, I can easily remove this audio and maybe place it somewhere. I can easily remove this audio on internet or make it come somewhere there. So you can easily alternate the videos like so. Maybe I want this one to come at the end and the other one to come at the end. Now, if you look here, here is the music bin. Here is the here is the import section. Now there are different aspects here under this place. There's sounds. If you want to add sound, there's sample videos you can use from the system. There's background aspect you can use. For example, if I want to add sound, I just click this sound here and just drag this sound below here. So, maybe if I want to add music, maybe from the video, then I can just and drag it and place it here. Now, if I play, you can listen to that like so, like so. Now, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to come here under filters. You can also place filters for your videos. For example, there are things like more of effects, and there are different options here that you can use: artistic, blur, maybe you want to do some sections, color filters, flying objects, light legs. For example, if I want to add, maybe adjust, maybe I want to add this effect here, I want to invert colors, just come and put it like the icon see it does on my video. I want to undo it, I'll just press Ctrl Z and it will go away. Maybe if I come to color filters, I'll just drag here like so. You can easily change your videos into that aspect. I'll just press Ctrl Z to remove. If I want to add flying objects, maybe like this one here, maybe I want these cartoon like things to be in my video, I'll just come and drag it there. I just come and select and maybe drag it there. Now you can see the video. I just undo so that they also get. So there are many aspects you can apply to your videos. It's just a matter of experimenting and playing around with things. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is this aspect called the transitions. For example, you want to transit from this video to the next video, from one clip or one scene to the other. So there are different transition here that you can choose. Let's try this one here called under the features. Maybe let's try something like this. I'll just drag and position it where I want it to. If I play, you can see the video is in transition. Let me try another one, maybe blocks. Maybe just place it here. If I play, you can see the blocks transition there. Maybe let me try geometric. Maybe like this one here. If I place it there, you can see the transition there. The next thing we're going to talk about is how to add text. So I'll just come here and it gives you a variety of pre-made text. Especially this is good, especially if you're starting your videos. So what am I going to do? I'm going to position it here and I'm going to drag it here over top here. So to give me this aspect, maybe I can add my name, Paul. Then I can just add something like awesome here. Now I can even change the color of the text, maybe to something like orange. Maybe this one I change. I just come and click here and I maybe change the color to something like red. So you can see that, and you can also add other aspects. You can even add motion track, where you can track this aspect. Talk more about that. Then I just play apply. Then you can see my text here and the video here. There are also other aspects of text here that you can also apply. Maybe you could try this one here. Maybe if you want to end your videos, maybe subtitles here, I can just place it somewhere here. Then you can also easily manipulate. Maybe if I place it here, I can just easily manipulate it. Just double click it here. Maybe I can just say thanks for watching. Then I just apply. Then it will just be applied. If I play my video, you can see it there. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is this aspect called stickers. You can add stickers, especially if you are doing maybe social media promotions or maybe things that you want to make your videos a little bit fun or fun. Now there are different of the comics. Maybe you want to put a bang. Maybe when I'm arriving, boom. So you can easily play like so. I just undo to remove this one here. You can easily, I can just come here and delete this one here. Now there are these different aspect feature. There's comics. You can put summer. Depending on the topic, maybe you are doing something. You can resize it here, maybe position it somewhere like so. Now if I play it, you can see it there. Then also this one, there are many things. Maybe you're talking about fruits, travel. Maybe you are talking about travel. Maybe love. You're talking about a love story. You're doing a video about love. You can easily place that. Maybe masks. You can also place maybe this one here. Like so, maybe you can put it somewhere like so, maybe here, but you can use track motion to do that. So I'll just remove this one and just delete this one here. Now then there's this last stage here, which has many other options. You can do crop rotate, you can do overlay, which we'll talk about some of them aspects later on. You can also do animations. But to make sure you select your object, you can do chroma key. Maybe you want to remove the background of a video, scene detection. Maybe you want your video to detect scenes. As you can see here, scene detection automatically detects changes in the video scenes, and also you can put slow motions, maybe in some part of your video. Before I forget, the next thing, maybe you want to add a track, a video track. What you do, you just come and right click here, and come here and add a video track or a movie track. So I just add here a track, then you can add a video track there. You can also add you can also add a music track, which will become below here. You can also add can also come here and add a title track, which will always become on top here. If you want to see that, make sure you use this scrolling aspects here, and you just be okay. There's also other, if you select this video, you can also use these tools here. You can split, you can rotate. For example, if I want to rotate this one here, you can easily rotate, you can easily rotate like that. Maybe if I play the video, you can see the video is rotated. Let me just put it back. Also, we have this aspect here, color adjustments. Maybe you want to, it's a quick way of playing around with colors. Maybe if I want to change this color here, you can see the color has changed. Also, you can have more options here. For example, if I come to any video and right click here, you'll find it will give me this option. I can hide clip. If I go to tools, it will give me more options of tools. I can also detach audio from clips. Maybe you're wondering, how do I detach an audio from clip? I just press detach, and then audio will be detached. Maybe I can even put it somewhere here. So also there are many options. If I right click here, you can even clone. Maybe I want to clone this aspect here. You can clone this video into two. There are many options here you can use. Also, if I come here under the subtitles or the tabs here, you can see the many options here. Eventually you can save the project. Maybe you want to save the project so that you can continue later on. You can just come save as project. Maybe you can give it a name, new project. Maybe you can just save. So that's how you save a project. Maybe you want to continue the project, you just go where you save it and you continue. If you come to edit here, you can easily delete a track. If I want to delete this duplicate here, I can just come here and just press delete, and it will just go like that. So also you can have, but make sure first you select the clip you want to edit or you want to manipulate. Then you come here. Then there are many tools. Also you can come to tools here. There are many tools you can use here. For example, you can also use this sounds aspect here. You can use maybe sound equalizer, where you can play around with the sound, and then you can just save, or can just come. If I come back here, there are also many other options, maybe noise removal and other aspects. Then if you're finished with your video, you can just come here and export video, and it will just export. Then you'll have your video to give you this dialog box here, where you can decide the name of the video. You can give it a name, maybe welcome, or you can also decide where you want to save the video. Then you can just decide whether the video is going to be draft, good, or high. I prefer draft. I'll also give you the amount of the size that the video is going to produce. The resolution is here. Then you can just press start, and it will just start. I'll just cancel for now. Now that's how to export your video. So that's how you can use Movavi editor. Stay tuned. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find this video of value, kindly you can also give us a thumbs up and also share with your friends. So that's a great overview of how you can use Movavi to edit your video. Stay tuned and produce more aspects, tricks, and ways of using Movavi editor. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Have a great day. Thank you.